Baby shark.
Well, as you can see, Mama Outfit and Matthew are off in a far distant land. They're up in Massachusetts visiting Jacqueline, that's our daughter right there. Up in Massachusetts with family, they decided to go and charter a boat and go out and do some fishing. They caught all sorts of fish, shark, crab, sea bass, I don't know what all they've caught. But they all had a good time. And while they were having a good time, meanwhile, back at the farm, I decided I'd do a little maintenance on Matthew's car. He had gotten into something somewhere along the line and broke this brake line in two, pulled it plumb out of the fitting up there, so I had to come in and build a splice line and put it back. I went in and flared the line and put a new fitting on it. As you can see right here, I'm building a new piece that I'm splicing in, cutting the pipe, and I'm going to put my flaring tool on it. This is a double flare. If you ever have a chance to get one of those, that's the type to get. It makes the flare a lot stronger. And always remember to put your fitting on there, because I have done that before. Put the flare on and then forget to put the fitting on. But yeah, just make sure you do that. Go ahead, put your tool in there, your flare tool and your double flare tool, and then it takes a little bit of time to get those out sometimes once you put your outer flare on, and you have to kind of work it around to get that little tool out. But once you get that, you come back and put you go ahead and press your flare in, and then I was getting ready right here. I went ahead, put the line back in. It all fit perfect, and about that time I decided to go ahead and hit the bleeder. This is a little H&F bleeder that I got. You wonder what H&F is, just think about it. It's a store that sells cheap Chinese tools. But anyway, I got it all bled out and put me a clamp back on the line where it had been broken off. And just use a little sheet metal screw there, put it in the frame rail. It all worked out good, and got it all tidied back up. It looks good. No leaks, no drips, no errors. But meanwhile, back up in Massachusetts.
Wow!